If you want to search for a song on a POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, you can use circle to search. So if you press and hold your finger on the navigation bar, if you use gestures for navigation, and if you use 3 buttons for navigation instead, then of course you want to press and hold the home button. So if you press and hold your finger on the navigation bar on the home button, then over here we will activate circle to search, and then here we have the music note icon. So you can tap on it, and then our phone starts listening to the background. And if there is like any song played in the background, then you should be able to get a Google search result with the song title. You can also just play the song by yourself, of course, or you can sing it if you know how it goes, and you can also just hum it as well. Sometimes it works too. And if you get the Google search result, then of course you get the song title as I mentioned. And also there's additional tip for you. Instead of activating circle to search specifically just to get to the song recognition feature, you can add the shortcut to the control center. So once you open the control center, at the bottom we can use the edit button, and then in here we can just scroll down and you should be able to find song search option. There we go. We can just easily add it to our phone, to the control center, and there we go. I can just now tap on this button to immediately use that option. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.